Skabosioni kobono EGATI YABARAI kurase kiama kia Orange Democratic Movement ODM baisokire na gukwandira ukogania gukororo kwa BARAI abachorrense kiama kyo kwenekia unangocha baramo na gututerare chitofauti chabo kwenekia unango gendri bare miroberi yo gukini kiama kyo bosyo bachore bono mwaka bwechirubere 25 nebere niko bono baro kandre komo EGATI YABARAI bali bakomo chyo kubwatira na gwe kiama kyo na bega serikali ya bono ya Kenya Kwanza ensio borai bwayo muraibwense William Ruto.
Audience. And there's no political party that can stand up and say that they're not going to field candidates in every position. And that's nothing wrong. If your negotiation with Daktari and party leader will say, oh, we are not going to go there. But as for me, I'm still telling you that Orange Democratic Party will be able to go around and be strong, and we want to strengthen this party.
The ODM Constitution, under Article 16, Sub-Article 1, F, read together with Article 16, Sub-Article 1D, vests that authority and mandate solely on the party leader. He's the one who is supposed to lead the party and its members in negotiations towards forming coalitions.
We respect our own rules by allowing only the party leader and the Secretary General to speak for us. I think we'll make progress.
I'm not interested in saying when Oburu says right, you go right. When Oburu says left, you go left. When we consult with the party and we take a party position, that is what we follow, all of us, and we should speak with one voice as a